Hello, this is Tox. Today I'll be teaching you an easy peach juice recipe. And for this recipe, I'll be using 5 peaches, a whole pineapple, 2 oranges, and ginger to taste. So the first thing to do is to get the fruit ready for juicing, and this include peeling the pineapple and oranges and cutting into smaller size. And for the peaches, all you need to do is cut into smaller pieces and remove the pits. And the last ingredient is ginger. This is optional and it's entirely up to you, but if you would use, ensure you use just a small piece. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tox, and on this channel I upload yummy and healthy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Are you a peach or pineapple lover? Then this juice recipe is just for you. Once everything is set, load into the juicer and juice. The benefit of making your own juice is the freshness and the ability to avoid add-ins in your juice, add-ins such as sugars and preservatives. And trust me, they are way more healthier because you get to source for your fruits yourself. Once your juice is ready, you can serve over ice or refrigerate before serving. And that will be all for today. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.